Hi everyone, thank you again for watching. I'm going to be doing a very traditional look that has been seen many times on YouTube, and that is the smoky eye. But instead of using black, I'm going to be using silver tones. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. For this eye look, I'm going to be using my Glam and Smoky eyeshadow palette, and it's from Catrice Cosmetics. You can get it at Discount and Clicks also, if I'm not mistaken. So this is how it looks like. You have shimmery colors and then you have your two matte colors. So I'm first going to go in with this color right here, followed by this color and then this color on the lid. And then we'll use this white color for the highlighter in the inner corners. So let's get started. So now I just took the darker color and I am just working it from my outer eye into the crease. So I just took a smaller brush and I'm just trying to blend everything together. Now I'm going to take that shimmery color and I'm just going to put it all over the lid. Just for a pop of color in the center, I'm going to take this color right here. I'm just going to use my Maybelline concealer to clean up the eyeshadow. As you can see, it can get a bit out of hand and crazy. So that's why when you do a smoky eye, you first want to do the eyes and then you'll do the face later. Because it is so hot these days, I'm not going to use a concealer today. I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in the color Fawn. It's really close to my skin color, so it works. So you don't have to use a concealer. It's hot, you're going to sweat, and it's just too much. It's too much sometimes. Just going to set my face quickly. And then I'm going to use my stippling brush just to buff everything together. So because I only use concealer all over my face, I'm going to have to bake my whole face. So I'm just going to put the setting powder basically everywhere. Okay, so I'm not going for a matte look. I just want to set my face quickly. So I'm going to use my setting spray so that it doesn't look powdery. And now I'm just going to go into the contour using my Essence Shape Your Face palette, and also I'm going to go in with my matte blush, and this is in the color Gingerly. I'm going to go back and finish underneath the eyes. I'm just going to take this black color right here and I'm just going to use that underneath the eyes. So that's the only color I'm going to use. I'm going to use my Custard Wet n Wild highlighter, and this is Precious Petals. For mascara, I'm going to use my Maybelline mascara, and this is the Rocket Volume Express. Unfortunately, I left my lashes, so we don't have the drama today, but I think this will work. This is actually a new my Avon lipstick, and this is in the color Hot Plum. Sort of like a matte lipstick. Last but not least, I'm going to set my face again just to tie everything together. We are done with this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I would actually recommend these Avon lipsticks. They actually feel very nice on the lips. Not like usual matte lipsticks, they're actually very dry. These ones are very moisturizing. But anyways, that's for free, take it or leave it. I just want to give a subscriber shout out to Thank you so much for being a part of the family. If you are new on this channel, please hit the red button if you haven't already, and also please click the bell so you are notified of every time I post a new video. And yeah, that is it. Also, you can follow me on my social media accounts, which are in the description box below. May your day be ever